Hi, this is Scott from Ford Tech. Today we are in a 1415 body style Ford Fiesta that came MyFord Touch equipment lacks navigation. We are going to be upgrading this vehicle using the MyFord Touch navigation upgrade kit from Ford Tech. Just a few simple tools needed to perform this upgrade. A T20 and T25 Torx driver, and some plastic dash removal tools. The dash removal tools are available on our website for your convenience. Let's get started. First, we need to remove this dash bezel hood that is over the screen. It extends up to just this way of the heater vents. So we'll take our dash removal tool and get underneath the edge of it, right towards the back, and pry up so that we can get our fingers on that edge. And we'll grab the hood here and just pull up and towards us. Once the hood is off, we'll put that out of the way. Next, we need to remove the 4 T25 Torx screws holding the screen in. With the 4 screws out holding the screen, we'll pull the screen out and tilt it, and we need to remove the 2 connectors off the back of the APIM that we'll be replacing. This USB connector has a clip on the top back of it. We'll push in with our thumb and just unplug it. The main 54-pin connector has this little lock that we'll push in with our finger, pull the gray lever towards you, and it'll push the connector out of the unit, and then just pull it the rest of the way out. Next, we need to remove this APIM from the back of the screen and replace it with the navigation-equipped one from Ford Tech. The best way to do this is to set it face down on the foam that came out of the box on a table or so it's easy to swap the unit. For the sake of this video, I'm going to set a cloth up in the opening so that you can see what I'm doing. We need to remove the 4 T20 Torx screws that hold the APIM to the back of the screen. With the 4 screws out, just pull on the brain to separate it from the screen. It makes its electrical connection to the screen with this connector on the center. We will now take our APIM, this navigation equipped from Ford Tech, and replace it back on the screen. You'll want to make sure it's oriented the same way as the other one came off, but it'll only go on one way. These pins need to line up with these holes on each side of the connector, and then push firmly on. Once you do that, we just need to replace the 4 screws we took out. With the 4 screws in and the APIM attached to the back of the screen, we'll want to reconnect the brain. This main 54-pin connector, make sure the lever's fully towards you. Begin to push it in until the lever starts to move, and then use the lever to draw the connector in the rest of the way until it clicks past the lock. The USB connector, make sure the clip is pointing upward and plug that back in until it clicks. Now we'll set this back in place, same way the other one came out. Once the screw holes are aligned, we'll replace the 4 screws we took out earlier. With the screen bolted back in place, we just need to put this bezel hood back over. We'll set it in place and push forward and down. Now we just need to take the map card that was included in the kit from 4D Tech. And there's an SD card slot in the hub in the front of the center console. You'll take the map card with the label facing forward and slide it into the SD card slot and push down till it clicks. With the SD card in place and the vehicle reassembled, we'll turn it on. The system will take a few moments to boot. And now you see that the MyFord Touch system is navigation equipped. Now you see how simple it is to upgrade the MyFord Touch system to navigation in the 1415 body style Ford Fiesta. This is Scott from 4D Tech. Thank you for checking out our video.